Stop. Don't skip this. If you've ever struggled with weak core control, lower back pain, poor stamina, or lack of pelvic strength, your problem is not your abs, it's your pelvic floor. And here's the shocking truth. Most people think Kegels mean just squeezing muscles, but that actually makes things worse. Today, I'll show you 4 powerful Kegel-based movements that don't just activate your pelvic floor. They strengthen, stretch, and retrain it the right way. No machines, no embarrassment, just science-backed movement. Let's start. Butterfly yoga pose. The butterfly yoga pose is one of the most effective movements for gently activating the pelvic floor without strain. This pose primarily targets the pelvic floor muscles along with the inner thighs, hip flexors, and deep core stabilizers. By opening the hips and relaxing the groin area, it allows the pelvic floor to engage naturally instead of being forced. The biggest benefit of this exercise is improved blood circulation in the pelvic region, which helps wake up weak or inactive muscles. Over time, it builds better pelvic control, strengthens flexibility, and builds the mind-muscle connection, making it especially useful for beginners who struggle to feel their pelvic floor muscles properly. Child's pose. Child's pose plays a crucial role in pelvic health because it focuses on relaxation as much as control. This position targets the pelvic floor, lower back muscles, glutes, and the diaphragm. Many people don't realize that an overly tight pelvic floor can be just as problematic as a weak one. Child's pose helps release built-up tension in the pelvis and lower back while teaching the pelvic floor to work in harmony with breathing. The major benefit of this exercise is improved coordination between the diaphragm and pelvic floor, which leads to better muscle control, reduced lower back discomfort, and a calmer nervous system. Adductor stretch. The adductor stretch targets the inner thigh muscles, which are directly connected to the pelvic floor. When the adductors are tight, the pelvic floor cannot activate properly. This stretch helps release that tightness while improving pelvic stability and balance. As the inner thighs relax, the pelvic floor becomes stronger and more responsive. One of the key benefits of this exercise is improved movement efficiency, allowing the pelvis and core to work together smoothly. It also helps reduce unnecessary strain on the pelvic muscles during walking, lifting, or exercise, supporting better posture and overall pelvic health. Pelvic tilt into bridge. The pelvic tilt into bridge is where true pelvic floor strength is developed. This exercise targets the pelvic floor muscles, glutes, deep core muscles, and lower back stabilizers all at once. Instead of isolating the pelvic floor, it trains it to function as a part of the entire core system. The major benefit of this movement is functional strength, the kind of strength that supports your spine, improves posture, and protects against lower back pain. Over time, it enhances pelvic control, strengthens the glutes, and builds a stable foundation for everyday movements and athletic performance.